Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all are fine. This is your E.V.S teacher, and in this video lecture we will be discussing your first chapter of unit 3rd, that is birds. So first of all, I'll tell you what are birds. Birds are beautiful animals that can fly and have wings and feathers. They are vertebrates, which means they have backbone. Birds need food, air and water to live, like we humans need food, air and water to survive. Different types of birds live in different places. Some live in deserts, some in open plains, some on high mountains, and some live in water. Among animals, only birds, insects and bats can fly. Birds are the fastest among the flying animals. They are the only ones to have feathers. Apart from feathers, they have 2 legs, wings and a beak. Most of them can fly. However, some birds like ostrich, penguin and kiwi cannot fly. Now we'll discuss some basic characteristics of birds. Birds are warm-blooded vertebrates. Their body is divided into 3 main parts: head, trunk and tail. Tail helps the birds to fly and to change their direction while flying. Birds have 2 pairs of limbs, wings and legs. They have 2 legs but no hand. They have wings covered with feathers which help them to fly. The mouth of bird is called beak, but they don't have teeth. The bodies of birds are very light, which helps them to fly very easily. Feathers, claws, beaks and feet are the features that distinguish birds from other animals and themselves too. Their beaks are different in shape and size due to their different feeding habits. To understand this chapter better, let's watch this video.
3 parts of birds. This is a bird. Birds are a group of animals that can fly. Just like other animals, birds too have different body parts. A bird's body can be divided mainly into 3 parts: a head, a trunk and a tail. On the head are present 2 eyes, one on each side. The eyes help a bird see. A bird also has a beak. A beak helps a bird to eat, drink and even make a nest. The trunk is the middle portion of a bird's body below the head. The trunk is covered by feathers. Feathers protect a bird and keep it warm. The trunk has 2 wings, one on either side. Wings help a bird to fly. This is a tail. It is covered by feathers. It helps a bird to change direction while flying. Birds also have 2 legs with feet and claws. They help a bird to walk, make a nest, and hold food. Different birds have different types of beaks, feet, and claws. Birds also have many different shapes and sizes. For example, a sparrow and a pigeon are small, and an ostrich and a kiwi are large. In this module you've learnt, birds are a group of animals that can fly. A bird's body is divided into a head, a trunk and a tail. The head contains the eyes and the beak. The trunk is covered by feathers. It contains 2 wings. The tail is covered with feathers. Birds have 2 legs with feet and claws. Different birds have different beaks, feet, claws and even shapes and sizes.
Hope you understood this chapter well. We shall meet again in next video with a new chapter. Till then, Allah Hafiz.